Mateo Garcia with Be Nice Media. I'm going to show a feature of my YouTube Creator AI tool, Community Posts. Community Posts is an underrated tool that creators should be using on YouTube. It's a good way to keep your audience engaged in between videos. So I'm going to go to a video I have premiering soon. I'm going to copy the description. Then I'm going to come over here to the Community Post Generator. I'm going to just paste that description in there, and it's going to generate me a few ideas to set up as a community post on my YouTube page. So it's going to take just a second here, and then once we have, so it's going to give us four different, a poll idea, a quiz idea, an announcement, and an event idea. If you like any of these, or if you like all these, maybe to save for later, you can copy them to your own notepad. You can save these to notes, and what this does is save to the local notes here in your scratch pad. So when you come down here, the community post ideas you saved, if you obviously use the tool for titles, descriptions, and you save those will be saved here. If you want to save this for later, you can save as HTML. It'll pop up here. You can print this as a PDF, save as notes. So another feature of our tool here is community posts. So even if you have an existing video you already have up on YouTube and you want some ideas for some community posts, come check out YouTube Creator AI. Thank you.